found those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. That on-pilot better be working. Just keep the ship steady if you can. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your traction beam. We're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those scouts. Good work, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. Plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the homing beacons. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer, pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant, let's head out. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jet to light speed. There's our bounty. Traffic, switching to ion cannons. Split up and open fire.
Hello, engineers. Remember, crates. Credits.
They're working fine, Hondo.
Credits.
They're working fine, Hondo. After them. They'll rendezvous on the other side. Grab the crate when you trapped your beam. Watch out for those power couplings. They'll disable the ship. Nice catch, kid. Oh no, enemy ships incoming. Bring the ship while I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. Republic excellence.
Clear a path.
Copy that, leader.
Time to jump to light speed.
Was that so much shit?
Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Cargo crates unloading. Oh, well done, crew.
You've got some good smugglers here, Hondo.
Yes. Hondo only hires the best.
Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Oh, fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted reefs. I am ending